Rosacea is a skin condition in which generally the skin around your cheeks gets red. The redness can spread to the rest of your face as you age. Home remedies such as essential oils are good for rosacea natural treatment, but severe rosacea may require medical attention. In this video we will take a closer look at 3 best essential oils for rosacea and how to use them for fast healing. So stay tuned to the end. Essential oils are concentrated plant extracts with many medicinal capabilities. In addition to many other health conditions, they are widely used for hair and skin health. While they are popular, there is no published research available yet on the effectiveness of essential oils on rosacea. Scientists still are not sure whether essential oils are good or not to treat rosacea, but those who have used it have found it very effective. Following are the 3 best essential oils for mild rosacea treatment. 1. Lavender essential oil. One of the main properties of lavender oil is that it is very gentle and can also promote mental relaxation. It can be useful for those who get flare-ups in times of stress and anxiety. It calms your mind and has anti-inflammatory capabilities. The combined impact of these properties can soothe rosacea. 2. Tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil is useful for many skin conditions because of its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It is mild on skin and can reduce itching. Tea tree essential oil is often used to treat and heal acne. A mix of lavender oil and tea tree oil is a very good combination treatment of rosacea. 3. Chamomile. Chamomile essential oil has both anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic capabilities and is a very effective treatment for rosacea. Chamomile tea is more popular as a tea for colds. You can also use cold compress of chamomile tea bags on rosacea to get relief. Other essential oils that are good for rosacea treatment include geranium, cypress, rosemary, sandalwood and rose essential oils. Add 10 drops of any of the above essential oils or a combination of them to a tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix well and store in a small bottle. Wash and dry your face and apply a few drops of the mix on rosacea-affected skin with cotton swab twice daily. Bottom line is, some essential oils are good for rosacea with mild symptoms. But if you have severe rosacea, consult a doctor. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.